Good night, teacher and partners. My name is Victor Hugo Arboleda. I am a doctoral student and I work in a pulmonary and cardiac rehabilitation. I am born in Popayan City, in the department of Cauca, a city known as the White City, traditional for Holy Weekend. In my region, the corruption of police who only come at election time is something so frequent that they led the city in oblivion and backwaters. Popayan start with an employed rate of the 80%, above the national rate of 70%. In this territorial, several ethnic groups converge, and this area has been hit by violence and by groups that have disputed the territories in a broad way, to the point that we have one of the highest rates massacres in the entire country, and death of social leaders of the country, because many of these groups dispute their permanence over illegal crops and mining. Investment has been promised to make people change their group. That it has not been achieved that for those who put down their weapon, but it has not been possible. It is an endless cycle. I will continue to contribute from my profession to change with hope and faith in a new city with opportunities and better living conditions. Thanks.